Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your phone already has a registered fingerprint. Without that, you cannot proceed. Next, install a reputable gallery lock app from the official App Store. Make sure it supports biometric unlock. Once installed, open the app and grant storage and biometric permissions when prompted. This lets the app access your photos and the fingerprint API. Make sure to disable battery optimization for the app so it runs reliably in the background, and set a fallback PIN now in case the sensor fails. Now you configure what to lock. Choose specific albums or entire gallery folders. This minimizes disruption to other apps. Once selections are done, enable fingerprint unlock in the app's security settings and set a fallback PIN or pattern. This ensures access if the sensor misreads. Then adjust auto-lock timeout and notification visibility so locked content stays private. Finally, test locking one folder and then unlocking with your finger to verify everything works before moving all sensitive media into the protected area. Finish by testing a full workflow. Lock several items, exit, and unlock with your fingerprint multiple times to confirm consistent behavior. If you encounter failures, make sure the sensor area is clean and re-enroll your fingerprint through system settings. If problems persist, clear the Gallery Lock app cache or reinstall it. This often resolves permission or cache corruption. Make sure the app is kept up to date and store your fallback PIN or recovery codes in a secure location so you never lose access to your protected gallery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.